Alright, y'all, we're going to run Deborah's roast. There are 25 spots at $1 a spot. Let's copy our list. Go live. At 7:05. Paste our list. 25 spots. We need a 4 or higher. Alright, we have a 7, a 5, and a 2. Here we go for the first time at 7:05. After the first time, there are 25 items on the list. Naomi is on top. Tonkanika is on bottom. Dice calls for a 7. Here we go at 7:05. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6th time, 25 items are on the list. Susie's on top. Tonkanika's on bottom. We randomized 6 times. The dice calls for a 7. Here we go for the last time at 7:06. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 6, Gail, you're the winner. Congratulations. There were 25 items on our list, and we randomized 7 times. The dice, 5 and 2, did call for a 7. We are done at 7:06. 7:06. Congratulations to spot number 6, Miss Gail.